Noun, adjective. So, what is adjective? The word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun is called adjective. So, this adjective tells something about the meaning of a noun. So, what kind of noun is that? What kind of person, whatever anything. So it tells some meanings, something meaning to the noun is adjective. It's like, for example, Sita is a good student. Sita is a good student. So the is good. Good is adjective. So this adjective good tells something about Sita. Means how is Sita? Sita is a good student. It means good tells something about Sita. So this is adjective. Similarly, he is a brave boy. He is a brave boy. Here is brave. Brave is adjective. Means this word brave tells something about the boy. So means who is here? He is a brave boy. So that's why brave is the word and it says something meaning or add meaning to the subject. So, similarly, next example is here. There are 10 balls in the box. There are 10 balls in the box. Here is 10. It is quantity. How many balls? So, it is 10 balls in the box. So, here the 10 is, what is 10? The balls. It tells something about the noun, that is adjective. Similarly, next I am going to talk about adverb. So what is adverb? The word that is used to add something to the meaning of a verb in an adjective or another adverb is called adverb. Serious. The word that is used to add something to the meaning of a verb in an adjective or another adverb, that is adverb. So you can see it over here. Sita finished the work quickly. Sita finished the work quickly. It means this quickly is the adverb. So this word says something about the what? Quickly. How? Means Sita finished the work quickly. What finished? Work finished. How? Quickly. So here it tells something or some meaning to the verb and adjective. So here, my nephew is very talented. My nephew is very talented. Yes, very is adverb. So this very is connected to the talent. This is adjective. So it says also some meaning or add meaning, something about the adjective. So that's why this very is adverb. Next example is here. He runs fast. He runs fast. It is also adverb. Means this adverb, this fast connecting to the what? He. Means here is a pronoun or other subject. So that's why this part is also adverb. Now I am going to teach next about preposition. Okay, preposition. What is preposition? So, a preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. So, what does it mean here is that preposition is the word that is used to show the relation with the noun or pronoun. So, and it says something else about the noun or pronoun. That is preposition. You can see an example here. There is a ball in the box. Here in is the preposition. So this in is showing the relation to the what? To the box. There is a ball in the box. So here is in is used before the noun. Okay. So the boy is fond of music. The boy is fond of music. Yes, fond is of is preposition that is used to show the relation of the noun. So here is the boy is for who? Here the boy is the noun. So preposition always shows the relation between noun and pronoun, and it is used before the noun or pronoun. Now next is conjunction. So what is conjunction? The word that is used to join words or sentences is called conjunction. It means conjunction joins more than two words or sentences. So we can see the example here. 3 and 3 makes 6. 3 and 3 makes 6. Here is and is the conjunction that joins two words. So this and is the conjunction. Next example here. Unisa runs fast but missed the bus. Unisa runs fast but missed the class. Here is but is conjunction that joins two sentences. Here is Unisa runs fast. Next, this is first sentence, and next sentence is missed the class. So these two sentences joined by this but. So now I'm talking. Now next last one is interjections. Now, so what is interjection? So now I'm going to talk about this. Any interjection is a word which expresses certain feelings. So it tells something about certain feelings. It expresses our happiness, our certain feelings. So that is interjection. Just like hurrah, hurrah, we won the game. Bravo, he scored a goal. Whoa, she is here. Now here, I provided you 3 examples. You can observe easily here. Hurrah is the interjections. Each express feelings. It means hurrah, he won the game. Means happiness. It expresses happiness. Likewise, bravo. Bravo, he scored the goal. This also like happiness. Bravo, wow, he is great. He is brave. Like this word says. So, whoa, she's here. It's also surprising like that. Whoa, she's here. So, what kind of word? So, this is also interjection. So, these words expresses our certain feelings. So, they are interjections. Well, student, today I talk about all about this partial speech in briefly. So in the next video, I will teach you in detail about this partial speech. What is noun, what is pronoun, what is verb. In detail, I am coming by taking this. And today, this was, and I am going to wrap this. So, and next video I make about in detail and how do you feel the video. If you like our video, first of all, please don't forget to subscribe our video, our channel, and if you like, you can please share and you can comment us. Thank you very much.